Introduction to Starting a Business Consulting Service. Are you ready to turn your expertise into a thriving business and start earning $10,000 a month or more in 2025? Starting a business consulting service is one of the most lucrative ways to monetize your knowledge and skills. Whether you're an expert in marketing, operations, finance, or leadership, companies are constantly seeking consultants to help them solve problems and grow. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to launch your consulting business, position yourself as an authority, and scale your income, all while keeping overhead costs low. Let's dive in. Identify your niche and define your services. The first step to building a successful consulting business is identifying your niche. Ask yourself, what specific area of expertise do I have that businesses need? The more specialized your niche, the easier it will be to attract clients. For example, instead of offering general business consulting, focus on something like digital marketing for e-commerce brands or HR solutions for tech startups. Once you've defined your niche, outline the services you'll provide. Will you offer one-on-one consulting, group workshops, or ongoing retainers? Having a clear service menu makes it easier for clients to understand how you can help them. Build your brand and online presence. In 2025, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Start by creating a professional website that clearly communicates who you are, what you do, and how clients can work with you. Include testimonials, case studies, or any relevant achievements that showcase your expertise and build trust. Next, leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or even YouTube to share valuable content. Position yourself as a thought leader by posting tips, industry insights, and success stories. Don't forget to optimize your profiles with keywords related to your niche so potential clients can easily find you. Find clients and market your services. Getting your first few clients might feel challenging, but it's absolutely doable with the right strategy. Start by reaching out to your existing network, friends, former colleagues, or industry contacts, and let them know about your new consulting business. Offer free or discounted consultations initially to build your portfolio and gain testimonials. You can also join online communities, attend networking events, or partner with other professionals in complementary fields to generate leads. Don't underestimate the power of cold outreach. Sending personalized emails to businesses that fit your target market can yield surprising results. Scale your income to 10K per month. Once you've landed a few clients, it's time to scale. Focus on offering high-ticket services like monthly retainers or premium strategy packages that deliver significant value to your clients. Automate repetitive tasks like scheduling and invoicing so you can dedicate more time to client work and business development. Consider expanding your offerings by creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates that align with your expertise. These passive income streams can supplement your consulting work and help you reach your $10,000 per month goal faster. Conclusion and next steps. Starting a business consulting service in 2025 is not only achievable but also highly rewarding. By identifying your niche, building a strong brand, marketing effectively, and scaling strategically, you can turn your expertise into a six-figure business. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and focus on delivering results for your clients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to launch their own consulting business. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.